I miss you like crazy. 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate, nightclub. Wait on the right. Section 1, facing right diagonal 130. Rock left forward, recover back, rock back, and open body to the right.
Triple foot turn. Recover, half back, half forward. Continue hitch 3/8, facing 9. Forward, half back, rock back, now facing 3 o'clock.
Recover, half back, quarter side with sweep, facing 6. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Cross side behind sweep, behind side. Make a 1/8 turn facing 730. 2 slow walk, walk drag, walk drag. Forward pivot half turn. Half turn back. Sweep right around. Continue sweep, make half turn, step on right. Now facing 130. Count section 2. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, up. Section 3. Rock left forward. Recover 3/8 forward. Forward hitch. Now facing 9 o'clock. 2 run back, left, right. 3 back sweep. Back sweep, back sweep, back sweep. Behind quarter forward. Now facing 6. Count section 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 4. 2 basic, right basic, side, close, cross. Left basic, side, close, cross. Step right and sway to the right. 2 quick sway, left, right. Side left with drag. Side right with drag. Open body to the right diagonal. To start the dance again, rock left forward. Count section 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 are 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Back walk. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 are 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Wall 3, 16 counts restart. Wall 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart 1.